Hi, you guys. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nehal, and this is the third part of my Thailand series. The first part was where I was in Koh Samui, the second part was where I was in Krabi, and in this part, you're gonna see me explore Phuket. Honestly speaking, my Krabi trip was so wholesome. You can see the tan on my face. I'm actually sunburned, but I really don't think I mind because I've had the best time at Fifi yesterday. Right now, we are checking out of our hotel and we are leaving for Phuket. And I think it's about a 3 hours drive from here. So मैं तो सो के जाने वाली हूँ because I've had the most tiring 3-4 days and रात को भी I slept like a baby. I slept at what around I think 1:30 and I woke up at 9:30. तो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब मेरे को और ज्यादा नींद की जरूरत है सो दैट आई एम फ्रेश थ्रू आउट द रेस्ट ऑफ द ट्रिप सो यस लेट्स चेक आउट एंड लेट्स लीव फॉर फुकेट
तो फुकेत के लिए निकलते ही द फर्स्ट स्टॉप हैड टू बी 7-Eleven क्योंकि रास्ते के लिए छोटा मोटा खाने पीने का सामान लेना था एंड देन वी रीच्ड फुकेत एंड चेक्ड इनटू दिस ब्यूटीफुल एंड सच अ क्यूट होटल. इट वाज कॉल्ड कोकोटेल. मैं अपनी जर्नी व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट स्लीपिंग थ्रू आउट दिस जर्नी बट आई वाज फ्रेश एज सुन एज आई रीच्ड एंड दिस होटल वाज सो क्यूट. दे ऑल्सो लेफ्ट अस अ लिटिल नोट एंड ये हमारा व्यू था फ्रॉम द टेरिस ऑफ द होटल. यू कैन सी द बीच इज राइट देयर एंड हम लोग चेक इन करते ही थोड़ा सा बीच पे चले गए थे सनसेट वगैरह देखने के लिए एंड वी ऑल्सो सॉ अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर एक्टिविटीज गोइंग ऑन. सो थोड़ा फ्रेशन अप होके वी हैड लेफ्ट टू एक्सप्लोर द नाइट लाइफ ऑफ द सिटी एंड हमारे वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पे ही देयर वाज दिस फेस्टिवल हैपनिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड द साउंड ऑफ पटोंग एंड इट वाज एट अ होटल नियर बाय एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक लाइक. So right after that, we had gone to the famous Bangla street and it was so happening. इतना मज़ा आ रहा था वहाँ जाके because it was so lively. This was around 11 o'clock in the night and you can see how crowded it is. The funny thing is कि मैंने ये सब हमेशा अपने reels में ही देखा है. Like I've always seen this entire atmosphere in my phone and seeing it right in front of my eyes was very different. And I really wanted to explore the famous Illusion Club and we ended up going there but it was very average. फिर बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही थी एंड आई वॉज क्रेविंग समथिंग वेरी स्वीट तो हम लोग यहाँ पे गए थे. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला था कि थाईलैंड के क्रेप्स ट्राई करना एंड आई सॉ दिस आंटी मेकिंग क्रेप्स. दिस प्लेस वॉज कॉल्ड द ट्विन पैनकेक्स and trust me it was so delicious. It was just hitting the right spots. I was so impressed by it. Then the next morning we had plans of going to the beach but before that we had taken a coffee stop and I finally tried the viral Thai coffee and I loved it. और फिर बीच पे पहुंच के I did the typical touristy thing जहाँ मैंने अपना पूरा setup create कर लिया था to enjoy for the next few hours.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. It is a Monday. I'm sitting on a beach and I just couldn't be more grateful because I am so unbothered right now and I hope सबका Monday ऐसा लगे. Let me just show you my view. This is my view, you guys. This is my view. I mean, I just couldn't be bothered. I don't know आपको मेरी कितनी आवाज आ रही है क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा हवा है यहाँ पे and I mean, I am super grateful. And also कल हम लोग बांग्ला स्ट्रीट गए थे. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I mean, I was so shocked. मेरे को बहुत major cultural shock लगा. But it was definitely an experience in itself. And आज का हमारा plan ये है that I've been chilling in this beach since the past 1 hour. And I grabbed coffee in the morning. जो मेरी अभी तक भी चल रही है एंड वी हैव बुक्ड अ बीच क्लब सो द इंटायर डे वी आर गोइंग टू बी सिटिंग देयर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी चिलिंग एंड दैट्स द प्लान फॉर टुडे. टुमारो वी हैव अ फ्लाइट टू फुकेत और कल पूरा दिन हम लोग ओल्ड फुकेट टाउन और ये सब एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. So yeah, that's what my day looks like right now.
थोड़ी देर और बीच में बैठ के I had this amazing नारियल पानी. It was so huge and so sweet. And while we were on our way to the hotel, we stopped by this massage parlor and I really wanted to get a foot massage done. It was so relaxing, especially this neck and head massage. It was so good.
Thailand ki massages are next level. I just got done with my foot massage and oh my god. Abhi I'm all dressed up. I'm ready. बाकी सब ready हो रहे हैं and it's raining cats and dogs. Actually, Thailand was on high alert ever since we came here. Luckily हमें इतनी कहीं बारिश नहीं मिली. Weather was fine throughout the trip, but आज
बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है एंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू वी हैव अ रिजर्वेशन एट अ बीच क्लब। बट ठीक है, लेट्स सी। हमने कल ही बात कर ली थी कि इन केस अगर बारिश होगी तो वेयर विल वी बी सिटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, तो वो लोग वो अरेंज कर देंगे, दैट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। एंड there's something about Thailand के लोग, they are a bit रूड इफ आई मस्ट से, बट फुकेत के लोग आर नाइस, दे वेरी स्वीट। बाकी कोसामुई और कराबी के लोग तो बहुत रूड थे, वो तुम्हारे मुंह पे हंस देंगे, तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा कि वो तुम्हारी बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं, बट यू कैन डू नथिंग अबाउट इट। बट या that's the only feedback that I have for the people of Thailand. Baki, yes, I'll be seeing you at the beach club. So this is my outfit for the beach club. Shrug dala hua hai, this I'll remove once I'm there. Crop top है and this skirt is basically a synthetic skirt. तो जैसे वहाँ पे pool वगैरह है and everything, beach में जाएंगे या pool में जाएंगे, so I can just go in this. I don't have to change, and I think this is the most appropriate outfit for a beach club. So I'm all set and I'll see you there. We are out and about और कितना unpredictable weather है because जो धूप निकल चुकी है and we are almost here. So that's our hotel. हमारा होटल वहीं का ही है. And this is the place we are going to. This is the most happening beach club in Phuket. So let's see how it goes. Barakuda is one of the most premium beach clubs of Phuket, and we had to pre-book a table, like I already told you. This had two pools, and it was obviously alongside a beach since it's a beach club. And this was our view. This was our table, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. We were there for the sundowner, and this was the performances. Time पे performances हो रही थी, and it was just so lively and so nice. I totally loved it. This was the beautiful sunset. थोड़ा clouds ज़्यादा थे तो इतना देख नहीं पाए. And yeah, you can see me enjoying, and this was me throughout the night. So we just checked out of our hotel and now we are going to explore the city. Let's see how it goes. Since हमारी बैंकॉक की फ्लाइट थी on the same day, we had to check out a little early. We went to Karen View Point जहाँ से पूरा फुकेत का सिटी दिखता था ऊपर से, and it was so beautiful. It was so green. एकदम से weather drastically change हुआ and it started raining so much. तेज बारिश आने लग गई, so now we are going back. अब I think हम लोग जा रहे हैं ओल्ड टाउन. Somehow Old Phuket Town हमारे itinerary में नहीं था, but a lot of you had texted कि हाँ please जाना, and I did end up going there. It was so beautiful. It was definitely one of the best decisions. It was as if कि straight Pinterest से निकाल के हमारे सामने रख दिया है. It was so nice. So थोड़ा बहुत हमने town explore किया. We explored a few shops here and there. सोचा कि थोड़ी shopping कर लूँ, but everything was so expensive, मुझे बिल्कुल worth it नहीं लगी. But yes, we did stop by this cute little photo booth, which was only for I think 100 baht, and we did end up picking a memory for ourselves for the rest of our life. So थोड़ी देर घूमने के बाद we ended up at this restaurant called One Chun. इसके काफी recommendation थे तो हमें यहाँ जाना ही था. It had a very earthy and a very rustic vibe जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, but एक blunder इन्होंने बहुत बड़ा करा था. We had ordered for a plate of chicken and they ended up giving us crab. I mean, I'm someone who hates seafood and I ended up tasting it और मेरा mood इतना ज़्यादा खराब हो गया था. This was literally the last thing I had expected from such a famous place, but हमारा जब खाना आया it tasted decent. I would recommend if you like non-veg. तो अभी ना we had gone to a Michelin restaurant. वहाँ पे हमने ऑर्डर किया था चिकन करी with steamed rice. तो आया एंड वी वर लाइक यार हो सकता है कि इनके स्टीम राइस अलग होंगे बिकॉज वो थोड़े से नूडल वाले राइस आए थे, नूडल राइस आए थे, एंड वी वर लाइक यार हो सकता है वो. We started eating and we realized that it tastes like fish. It doesn't taste like chicken. तो हमने पूछा कि भाई क्या है, they're like ये crab है, and I was like what? चलो फिर भी हम नॉन वेज खाते हैं, but the people who eat veg, as in they were messing up so many orders. हमारे सामने इतने सारे orders mess up करें. Taste was nice, taste was decent, but यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है तुम इतने फेमस रेस्टोरेंट हो तो तुम थोड़ा तो माइंडफुली करोगे ना यार. But anyway चलो, the streets are too beautiful. मतलब एकदम ऐसे Pinterest से निकाल के लाए हैं इन streets को. And right now we are at this coffee place called Graph. बस अब यहाँ कॉफ़ी पियेंगे. It's already 1:15. We have a deadline of 2 because we have to reach the airport. We're going to Bangkok right now. So we are a little short on time. There's this ice cream place called Tories or Tories, however it's pronounced. तो हम लोग वहाँ जाएंगे. And yeah, this coffee place was really aesthetic, very cute, but the coffee was very average. After all the go-ups, I was really excited to try the ice cream from this place. I had heard a lot about it, and it was very aesthetically beautiful. Honestly, they didn't have a lot of options, so I picked the Belgian chocolate flavor because I think इतने go-ups के बाद ये सबसे safest option था, and it tasted so good. It was so creamy, the texture was so nice. I totally enjoyed it. And then उसके बाद हम लोग airport के लिए निकल गए. It was not too far from the old town, and yeah, the trip to Phuket came to an end.
So we are at the airport और हम इतनी जल्दी पहुंच गए हैं कि पूरी की पूरी लाइन खाली है. We are one of the first people to reach. So now we are flying to Bangkok. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. Stay tuned for Bangkok vlog. That's gonna be the last vlog of my Thailand trip. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.